Hey folks, and welcome back to Shaggy's Car Shop. On today's episode, we're going to do a little bit with the car, but I got to tell you guys something. Now that I have the Firebird back, bad news. Now I have to get rid of it. So without any further ado, let's get to the video and I'll explain. Alright everyone, so when I say I have to get rid of this, well, I gotta get rid of it, but not really. So, what the deal is my job said that me and my family are moving. So, got this back from paint. One of the first steps, I was messing around with the trunk off camera. I'll cover that on another video. One of my first steps is I have to pull this hood off and get that engine and trans in here because it's got to go north. I got to haul it about 1,000 miles north and leave it at my parents' house. And then when we move and get a house out where we're moving, so we're moving to Montana, by the way. Moving out there, once we get a house, then I will bring the bird out there and I guess keep working on it. So with that, my videos are going to be slow in coming. I kind of have to do a bunch of them and then get them spaced, so you'll still see me in this lovely garage. I guess it's kind of clean now since we went through everything and kind of packed stuff up. But yeah, you'll be seeing videos of me doing stuff on here, but they'll probably be releasing maybe once a month. I'll try and stack them up so that way I can still keep releasing content while I'm moving. And then once we get a new house and a new shop and everything like that, I'll come back and bring you guys back for that, and then maybe I'll film some of the road trip that the Firebird gets to take and release some of that, and, you know, different things like that. But like I said, first steps first, we got to get this hood off, and I'm by myself, and it's a freshly painted car, so this might be fun. Alright, let me bring you in for a better camera angle and I'll kind of explain what I'm going to do. Alright folks, so as what I did, I just pulled out the top bolts, left the bottom ones tight, and then I took a little paint marker and marked my holes on both sides. Now is what I'm going to do is run these top bolts back in, snug them up, and then repeat. And do the same thing on the bottom side. So that way, when it comes time to put this hood back on, it'll be slightly easier to align everything. Alright folks, so I got some moving blankets around on the fenders. I'm going to attempt to film this. So that way when I drop the hood, and I'll have to bleep out all the expletives, but when I drop the hood, maybe I'll catch it on camera. But what I have is some little 3/8 studs. So I'm going to pop out the top bolts, put these in, not run them all the way up so it digs into the paint, just thread them in so it has something to sit on, pull the bottom bolts, and then attempt to lift the hood off, step over the front of the car and set it over there on my stands. We'll see how this goes. I can tell this is already going to be real fun. Alright. Here goes nothing. Alright folks, there you have it. Firebird without a hood. Doing that, I don't suggest lifting the hood off by yourself like that. It's not that heavy, even for somebody with a bad back, but it's really not that heavy. It's just more awkward, and you're trying to be super careful because, you know, fresh paint, things like that. Yeah. Wasn't too bad. I don't suggest doing it. Thank you for all of you that were cheering for me to drop it. But yeah. So again, now that the hood's off, probably off camera, I'm just going to clean the whole underside of the firewall and get all that stuff cleaned up because, well, it's going to be hard with a big engine in the way. And get that all scrubbed up. And then I guess we'll set the car, get it prepped for putting this engine in here. But that's all I got for you today. Yeah, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.